The Nikon D3400 is the company's entry-level DSLR camera. It's a modest update to the D3300 and uses the same 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers very good image quality in both JPEG and RAW modes. The D3400 features full HD video capture that, when paired with the updated kit lenses, offers smoother, quieter and more accurate focusing. The camera has an ISO range of 100 to 25,600, an 11-point phase detection autofocus system, and can shoot continuously at 5 frames per second. The D3400 also offers a guide mode that makes it easy for beginners to learn how to shoot in various situations. Additionally, images can be transferred from the camera to a smartphone via Nikon's SnapBridge service. All in all, the D3400 offers solid performance in a lightweight and very affordable package, with user-friendly operation that won't confuse or constrain a first-time DSLR buyer. For more information about the Nikon D3400 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
The Canon EOS Rebel T7i sits at the top end of the company's entry-level DSLR lineup. The T7i is targeted toward users who want an easy-to-use camera that offers advanced features that they can grow into. It features a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and, for the first time on a Rebel, dual-pixel autofocus. Dual-pixel AF allows for quick focusing and reliable subject tracking in live view and movie mode, and the camera's fully articulating touchscreen lets you tap to focus. On the video side, the T7i can capture full HD video at 60p, and it has a jack for adding an external microphone. The Rebel T7i comes with Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth. NFC allows for quick pairing with Android devices, while Bluetooth can send images to your smartphone as they're taken. The Canon EOS Rebel T7i offers a proven sensor and autofocus system and a broad feature set, making it a compelling choice for photographers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. For more information on the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, visit dpreview.com.
The Canon EOS Rebel SL2 is Canon's latest entry-level APS-C format DSLR. Featuring a 24-megapixel sensor, the SL2 can compete with several of its more expensive rivals in terms of image quality, but beats them when it comes to size and weight. Designed to be as small and light as possible, the SL2 doesn't compromise on ergonomics. A large, fully articulating rear touchscreen makes live view and movie shooting fun and easy, while a range of fully automatic and manual exposure modes are available to suit both beginner and aspiring photographers alike. The SL2 offers a fairly basic 9-point AF system in conventional viewfinder mode, but its dual-pixel autofocus in live view and video is much more versatile, making it a very capable camera for tripod-mounted photography and casual video shooting. A maximum shooting rate of 5 frames per second is useful for capturing fast-moving action. Built-in Wi-Fi with NFC and Bluetooth is available for remote control and image transfer to a smart device. Overall, the Rebel SL2 is a tiny camera with a powerful feature set that will make an ideal first DSLR for a compact camera or smartphone upgrader. For more information on the Canon EOS Rebel SL2, visit dpreview.com.
The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an outstanding camera for photographers who demand high-quality still images, as well as filmmakers looking for pro-level video capture. It has a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing plenty of resolution for demanding situations, from professional portraits to wildlife photography. The updated 61-point autofocus system covers up to 24% more of the frame and includes face detection. 4K DCI video ensures that the camera meets the highest standards for video quality as well. The camera's raw dynamic range has been significantly improved over previous 5D models. We also like the new touchscreen, which adds useful features such as tap to focus. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus provides reliable face detection and subject tracking in live view, while delivering the most accurate and natural-looking autofocus we've seen when shooting video. While the 4K video quality is excellent, the 4K recording is limited to motion JPEG format, which requires large, fast memory cards and may limit recording time. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV is a DSLR that will meet the needs of pros and enthusiasts who require high-quality images, excellent video, and a great user interface. For more information about the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.